Okay, good afternoon. So today's lesson we're going through how to use a microbit. You should have a link, I'll share this with you as well, for this code. When we run it, we should be able to see a happy face, a sad face, and a giraffe. You can change these to any that you want. Hang on. If you want to change to your own images, click on Help and Tips, and then Help and Code Samples. And then we can click on Images and put any of these on. I think the only one that doesn't work is scissors, but we should be able to put our own one in, like image.snake, as long as you put a comma in between. Image.snake. And they have to be in capital letters. If you spell it wrong, then it will complain with a syntax error or a attribute error if it can't find it. Hopefully we'll see a little snake there. The challenge today is how do we get it from your computer onto the actual microbit here. So here's how. When you run it, you'll see the download hex button. That gives you this file. I don't want you to click on it to open it. I want you to click on the triangle and go show in folder. And then you should be able to drag it across into the microbit folder. As long as your microbit is plugged in, you'll see it like a pen drive. It might take a couple of seconds to copy across, but then hopefully whilst it's doing it, the back of your microbit should be flashing away busily. And as soon as it's finished copying, hopefully, yeah, there we go. We've got the snake on the back. So your challenge is to experiment, put your own images in and see if you can get your own little animation working on your microbit.